James from Inkfluence AI, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a workbook through Inkfluence AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this text box here and we're going to add in our prompt regarding the type of workbook that we want to create. So this can be anything you require it for. Maybe you are a lecturer and you need this for your students. Maybe you work in learning and development and you want this for some corporate training. Whatever it might be, you can add in a prompt and create the specific workbook that you need for your use. So we're going to create a workbook on leadership and management skills for professionals. And then we're going to click Create My Book, and Inkfluence AI will start to create our workbook. Now, as you can see, it's building a 7-chapter book, and it's our leadership management workbook, and it's just going through chapter by chapter and creating everything now. So as you can see, we've got the different chapter names there, and it is going through and completing chapter 1, which we'll be able to see in just a few seconds. And then it will move on to the rest of the book and create our workbook for us. As you can see, super quick, has created it within a minute, which is absolutely amazing. And now we can go through and look at the content of the workbook and sense check it, make sure it's exactly what we want. We can also edit if we require it and make the workbook more specific for us and our use case as well. So there you have it. That's how you create a workbook through Inkfluence AI